Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another BOK Media Life video, the place where we show you how to take budget items from a variety of places and turn them into high-end home decor. Let's see what we're going to get into today. So this DIY is going to start very similar to a lot of my lamp DIYs, which is that I'm going to begin with 2 MDF circles from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and get these painted black. So we're going to set these aside to dry and move on to our next step. So the next item that we're going to use are these beautiful frames from the Dollar Tree, and I've used these before because I really love the kind of raised pattern on these, and I'm going to go ahead and get them broken down by taking off the back and the glass as well as the tabs. So this next item is one that I just stumbled upon at the Hobby Lobby and thought, wow, I need to put this in a lamp. And it's this beautiful kind of translucent paper. It's usually 99 cents a sheet, but I did get it on a 40% off day. And I'm going to use the back of one of the frames to help me trace out 7 different pieces that we are going to use in our lamp. So now that we have our 7 sheets, I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 to each of our 7 frames, just using a little dot of hot glue on each corner. So this next item is a very common item for my lamp DIYs as well, and it is a wheel wreath form from the Dollar Tree. And you're gonna see me kind of do a little snip in that inner circle, and that's ultimately gonna be where my cord hangs. So my next step is going to be to connect this wheel wreath form with that MDF circle. And I usually do this via staples. It works just great. I've never had a lamp fail me yet. And then I will go back through and just hammer down that staple so that it kind of cinches it to that MDF circle. So for this next part, I wanted to try something different with this lamp DIY, and that is I wanted to put a cover on the bottom so that when you looked up, you would not be able to see the actual bulb, but you would get this kind of cover, if you will, that had translucent light shining through. So I'm going to achieve that by grabbing this wonderful frosted shower curtain from Walmart and attaching this to my MDF round utilizing staples. And you guys can watch as this comes together. So now that we have all of our components, let's go ahead and pull our lamp together. And what I'm going to do is basically just put some hot glue at the top and bottom of one of our frames and then connect our top and our bottom. And I'm going to repeat this all the way around our MDF circles. And I'm going to let you guys watch as it comes together. So now that our lamp is complete, all we need to do is slide in our hanging light cord. Now I am not going to do that in this video. I do have several videos where I have done that. You basically just slip the cord through that slit that we made in the center of that wheel wreath form. I do have the hanging lamp cord that I like to use listed in my Amazon storefront, and I'll be sure to include that in the description box. This is a beautiful lamp, and it's hard to believe that we made it using only budget items that we were able to find from stores that we are going in and out of all the time as DIYers. Make sure to let me know inside of the comments if you guys are loving this lamp.